Located in downtown Palm Springs, Hyatt Palm Springs places you right in the middle of all the restaurants and attractions this beautiful city has to offer. It's an all-suites hotel featuring 2 restaurants, an outdoor pool area, multiple event venues, and a 24-hour fitness center. The lobby features a large open atrium, which made a great first impression as we entered. What immediately stood out to me was the plethora of art pieces around the lobby, which was quite unique. We are at the Hyatt Palm Springs. Let's take a look at our 2-bedroom suite. So here is the spacious living room area as you walk in. There's a large desk here, but the weird thing is there's no seats, so you can't really do any work if you need to. There's a TV and some shelves for storage. And here's the sofa with a chase. This is a sofa bed, so you can pull this out if you need additional bed space for people to sleep. Now let's take a look at the minibar. So as globalists, they gave us these two bags of treats right there and a couple of Voss waters. They're large bottles of Voss water in the Palm Springs bag. A couple bottles of water for your coffee and tea, and there's a coffee maker right there. Here's a small fridge. Let's open it up and see what's inside. And they gave us a fruit platter as a welcome gift, so thank you for that. Here's your standard closet where you have all our stuff in here. So nothing too big, just your normal closet. Now let's check out the bathroom. This tiled bathroom, and there's 3 mirrors right there. There's the toilet and the single sink vanity with a large mirror. And here's your shower with a bathtub. Now let's make our way to the bedroom. So these are 2 double beds. And here's a big screen TV with additional shelves for storage. Let's take a look at the balcony now and look at our view. Oh, it's locked. Let's unlock that. A couple of seats with a small table. And we have a view of the mountains and the pool area. There's a golf course back there and the other balconies of the other rooms here. So a pretty nice view. And that's a tour of our suite with 2 double beds. Share Small Plate Bistro, located by the lobby, serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's a small restaurant with a bright and airy bar and is open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. We stopped by for breakfast and ordered the We Will Rock You salmon omelette, Frank Sinatra steak and eggs, and the Johnny B. Good breakfast burrito. We thought the breakfast was good, but I'd recommend ordering the steak and eggs. Hoodoo Patio Restaurant and Bar is a social outdoor drinking and eating experience unique to Palm Springs. It's a great spot to people watch while enjoying some good food and signature cocktails. There's also a convenience store by the lobby, which makes it easy to purchase drinks and snacks without leaving the property. Sit back and relax at the outdoor pool area, which is heated year-round. Guests who want the best pool access will want to book these cabana suites where the pool is right outside your room. There's also a poolside bar which was closed during our visit. Enjoy the Palm Springs scenery using the hotel bicycles, which are available on a first-come, first-served basis. I thought it was really cool that the hotel had this putting green right out front, and it's definitely a feature kids will enjoy. There's no reason to miss a workout as the hotel has a 24-hour fitness facility. It features several exercise machines, cardio equipment, Peloton bikes, and free weights. Need some space to work? Check out the small business center by the lobby for some quiet space to get your work done. Looking to host an event? The hotel has you covered with event venues, party and banquet rooms, along with delectable catering. Even though the hotel is showing its age, we liked our stay at Hyatt Palm Springs. Our room and the hotel guest areas were clean, the staff was great, and the food at Share Restaurant was good. It's in a fantastic location, which made it easy for us to walk around to try various restaurants and enjoy the sights in downtown Palm Springs. We would not hesitate to stay here again if we made our way back to the city. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Bev and Ryan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.